Hello and welcome back to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I am Dustin and we are looking at Tesla once again. And it is fascinating today because Tesla is, as you look at the price here, it is 2 standard deviations above its mean. That means that it has the red background with the black lettering. We do see though that the volume has started to fall incredibly. When you look back here at the volume that we got at the end of June, we can see that the blue lettering with the white background means it's 3 standard deviations below its current 23-day average of volume, which is fascinating to see. And then it's interesting because the price was going up that day. And now that we're starting to get a little bit more volume, we're starting to see the price go down. But the price is actually still higher when we look at this individual chart. So I'm fascinated to see how this all works out for Tesla. It's probably going to really shape up once everybody gets back from the long holiday weekend. It's nice to see that we've got a go long in the short-term signal here, go long in the intermediate term signal. We did get a go short, which is not unexpected when you get a 2% down day. We do have a go long here in the intermediate to long term, as well as we've gone bullish on the short term, intermediate term, and long term as well. When I go ahead and look at the overall rolling sentiment, we do see a falling bear, and we do see that it's well near the 60%. So we know, at least from understanding, if you've been watching my previous videos, that that's kind of a no-go zone, especially in that ultra fast, because we're still up at 59%. Now we're going to take a look at the overall indicators to see what we see. This is the chart more up close. We can see, again, we did break out above this recent high at 276. We're up at 279 or 276.57 right, or 54 right now. We can see the daily sentiment indicator this is falling. We would expect this to get back around 50%. We want to see the green above this 15-day moving average of the daily sentiment. So we'll want to see a change there. Obviously, you can tell the volume. This is exactly what we were just highlighting. The volume has fallen significantly, well below trend. Probably has something to do with the quarter end, month end, as well as that long weekend we just went through. We can see that volatility is falling, and the price correlation is actually falling with it. So we would expect the price to go sideways to upwards with a very small amount of volatility, which is exactly what we're seeing. We see the trade range here. It looks like the trade range is going to start to compress. The bottom is going to come up. The top is going to maybe stay up or at least flat for a little bit, while the price could just stay in the middle and the range could kind of tighten like it has before. If we look at the ultra fast sentiment, that's what we see. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? I'll talk to you soon.